Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can order from the CCC app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the CCC app. And on the bottom, on the second icon, you can search on products. For example, woman, man, children, um, and so on. And let's say I am searching on woman, shoes, or you can search by brands. Let's say I am searching for some Vans. I like this one. You have to select the size, your shoe size, and on the bottom, on this right button, tap on it and you add it to your cart. After you added it, go to your cart on this fourth icon on the bottom and tap on continue on the bottom. You have to select you have to add your name, your email, your phone number, your street, your postal code, your house number. You have to accept the condition and you have to tap on. You have to select the payment. You can pay at when you are getting your shoes. And here you will have your total on the bottom, and tap on the last button, order and pay. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.